tour.
Okay,
Yeah.
on stage. Boom.
It's happening.
Alright. It's happening!
$50 gigs, 50 nights, 5 states, starting with this one. Please put your hands together for James Johnston!
Long days, holidays, a drink, big nights and firelights is more my scene. So long days hiding from the rain. Why do I keep losing all these silly games? 'Cause I'm feeling so alone when it's cold outside. Oh, I fear I face this world alone. Oh, I'm feeling so alone when it's dark at night. Oh, I fear I face this world alone. But how am I to know? How am I to know? How am I to know?
What have you been doing, Joshy?
Playing gigs at Seafood Fest. It's been sick.
We're all done. We're finished.
We're finished.
First gig down, 49 more to go.